What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to be sharing how I've made over $1,000 in affiliate commissions from recommending one product. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So, affiliate marketing. I don't really do much. I do a little bit, and I only really recommend products that I've tried and tested myself, or that I also use myself as well. So let's go over to Warrior Plus. If you don't know what Warrior Plus is, this is pretty much an affiliate network. So you can find products, mainly digital courses on here. You can find them. You can also find softwares and then get an affiliate link and go and sell that product. Then every time you sell the product, you're going to make a commission. Now let's go over to my affiliate stats. So we're going to go here. As you can see on Warrior Plus, I've actually sold 85 sales, or yes, 85 sales. And let's go to stats. So I'm going to break this down a little bit. I'm also going to show you the product that I did make $1,000 with. So let's go to year to date. So you're going to be able to see all the products that I have promoted and how much I've actually earned. So I've been recommending a few different products. These ones all here was from the beginning of the year when I first started building an email list. Now my email list also grows every single day. If you want a video about building an email list, then let me know in the comments down below. So this is the main product. This is Puzzle Book Mastery. So if we go to here, we can see I've done over $1,000 in affiliate commissions. Now Puzzle Book Mastery is a software. It's all about creating puzzle books for Amazon KDP, and if you know anything about this channel, I talk a lot about selling low and no content books, and puzzle books falls under the niche of low content books. And within this software you can create puzzles really easily, so I promoted that to my following. So to make this $1,000, there was a few different ways that I actually promoted this product. So I made a YouTube video, so that's still on YouTube, and it still makes me sales from time to time. That's completely passive. Then I also have a couple of Facebook groups, which I made a little promotion for in there as well. And then also my email list. So that's the three ways that I actually promoted this product. Again, I promoted this because I actually have this software myself, and I thought that my following would really benefit from me sharing this software. Then we got Low Content Mastery. This is a course all about low content books. I made a video about this on YouTube in the past, and it's made me $63 in passive income. Now this was when I was just getting into low content books, and that's why I just recommended this course, because I know a lot of people would have liked or could have benefited from this. Then there's a few little courses here as well that I personally took and I thought they were pretty cool, so I shared them on my email list. So you can see altogether this year I've done $1,172. Now I know that's not a lot of money, but still I don't really do much affiliate marketing. I do plan on doing a little bit more next year, but it's only with products, services or softwares that I use myself. So I don't recommend absolute crap just to make an affiliate commission. Now if you want more about affiliate, or if you want more affiliate marketing videos, then please let me know in the comments down below. I do plan on doing more affiliate marketing come next year because it is a good stream of income. Now if we go here to my wallet, most of that money that I have made is still here within Warrior Plus. I still haven't actually taken it out and put it into my PayPal. It's just sat here doing nothing. Main reason being, in case I see a course that I actually like and want to take, I've got the money already in here so I can take that. Now, when it actually comes to affiliate marketing, anybody can do this. And I literally mean anybody. It's not even that hard. Just put out helpful content around a niche and then recommend products, services, softwares that you use yourself. The easiest way to put out content is either Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube because it's completely free. Build a little audience and then recommend cool shit. It's that simple. See, most people overcomplicate everything when there's really no need. Now again, if you want to see more affiliate marketing videos, then leave a comment down below letting me know, because I could make some. By no means am I an expert, but I do know a fair bit. So again, let me know if you'd like to see some videos. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.